What's the meaning of charwoman? Charwoman. Charwoman.
Charwoman. Charwoman. A charwoman is a woman who is hired on a part-time basis to do cleaning or housekeeping work for others. This type of work can include tasks such as dusting, vacuuming, and scrubbing floors. Charwomen typically work in private homes, though they may also be hired by businesses or institutions. The term charwoman is somewhat outdated, and is not commonly used today. However, it was a common job for women in the past, particularly in the early 20th century, when many families could not afford full-time domestic help.